Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Wix SEO settings. Okay, so if you don't know this one, the acronym for SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO or Search Engine Optimization is the act of making changes to your website in order to better position when users search for the things you market, the products you sell, let's just say your services are offered, something like that. So, information and subjects you are quite knowledgeable about or having experiences with SEO frequently entails making minor adjustments to various elements of your website. Of course, when combined with additional optimizations, these adjustments could have a notable effect on the user experience and performance of your site in organic search results. To go to Wix SEO settings, just scroll down, go to SEO, and then tap SEO settings. Now, below here, we have main pages, blog categories, blog archive pages, portfolio collections, blog posts, and portfolio projects. Okay, so if you want to learn more about SEO settings, you can tap this side here and then read the description or instructions here. Okay, so let's go first to your SEO settings for main pages. So we have here customize defaults. If you want to edit this one here, like robust meta tag, you can just edit this one. Additional meta tags, you can edit this one here. But now let's focus first to Wix new option or feature. We have here edit by page. So we have here uh, the following. Okay, so page name, page URL. To know more about this one, you just have to tap this and read the description here. Okay, so we have here title. This is the main title displayed in search results. It's the first thing a potential visitor will read by default. It follows this format. Page name and site name. For meta description are page summaries displayed on search engines. You can write them individually and so on. You can read that. And we have here indexable. Only pages with checkmark can be indexed and displayed in search results. Okay, so if you want to edit, for example, your blog here, you just have to tap this side. Click this three dots here and then tap edit. And then here you can see we have options like basics, advanced, and social share. So let's go first for basics. And as you can see, this is how your website appears in any web browser, blog artistry project. You can change the title tag here below. If I'm going to change this to artistry project visions, you can also see the changes up here. Okay. And then for meta description, if you don't know it yet, you can simply tap this I for the description and you are allowed to paste something or edit something here. So as you can see, welcome to our cutting edge. And you can see it also here that when people see your website, they can read the first part, welcome to our cutting edge. And then once you're sure about this, then you can click publish. And then you can see the changes also here. Tap close. Okay, and then you can see it here that the meta description is now added. Okay, so you can do this also to any of the option features here. For example, for portfolio. Okay, so you can see your basics. You can change again the meta description so that people can see the first lines here. Okay, and then same thing, you can click publish once you are okay with this. So talking about advanced and social share. For social share, okay, you can read the description and add an image if you want to. So this one is from my computer. I added an image. So people also can see the image and also the name of your website here. Okay, you can change the tag title if you want. Okay, everything is up to you. Or change again this description down below. For advanced, we have your structured data markup. You can just simply add new markup here. Okay. And then another thing is for robots meta tag. You can tap this one and you can just simply know the functions of each words here. And then additional tags, you can tap this one and then You can also explore here, add new tag if you want. Okay, so that's it. That is for basics, advanced, and social share. Okay, so now we can go back to our SEO settings for main pages. If I'm going to click go to page info, this is what it looks like. You can edit everything here if you want. And if you tap this view live page, it will take you directly to this part here in which you can also edit and adjust whatever information that you want to adjust here. Okay, so going back, we have also here blog post. We have here black categories, black tags, portfolio projects, and collections. Actually, there is also product here. If you have a product, product is a new feature in Wix. So if you have your product with you, if you can see an option or feature here that says product, or let's just say if you upgraded your plan, you can see product feature here that is beside main pages. Okay, and also the options, the features, anything is the same with main pages. Okay, so let me explore to other things first. Okay, so let's just say this one is a product, okay, or new feature products. It's the same thing. You can edit the page if you want. We have here page name, page URL. We have here title tag. We have meta description and indexable. Okay, so you can edit this by tapping the three dots. And same thing for products. You can see the basics, advanced, and social share. You can change the URL here, and you can also change its meta description. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I added something for my meta description, and I can read it right here. Okay, and then publish once you are done. Now, so if you go to advanced, you can also see the same feature with main pages. Okay, so we have here structured data, and we have here Robert's meta tag, additional tags. Okay, for social share, you can upload an image again. Okay, see, I uploaded this image from a file folder and then edit the meta description. And then once done, you can simply publish this and you can see the changes right here, okay, at the center. So you can do this to all of this page name here under products. Okay, I'm talking about products here. So going back, as you can see under SEO settings, we have again blog categories. Okay, we have blog archive pages, blog posts, blog tags, okay, portfolio collections, and portfolio projects. So that is under SEO settings. You can tap each page type to edit. Okay, just simply tap this one here and then edit its name, features, or something like that. But of course, I can't do that right now because I need to upgrade my plan to premium. So this is what it looks like for settings for blog pages. Okay, you can edit this one here. Okay, if you want this to, or let search engines index your blog archive pages, you can turn this one on. If you don't want, you can turn this one off. Okay, so again, you can also change its title tag. Okay, you can add variable if you want, and then click save. Okay, that's it. Same thing with the structured data markup, robust meta tag, and additional meta tags. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, then you can simply explore. So always remember that you can easily edit by page by just tapping this edit by page. And for basic, you can just simply edit everything here under basics and social share. Okay, so meta description. Okay, you can change it to this page URL. Okay, and then paste the page URL here. Title tag, you can add variable to that. Also for a meta description, you can add variable to this. Okay, and so on. Okay, so if you want to know more about this basic and share, you can simply explore and adjust and edit everything here. Okay, so for Wix settings for main pages. Okay, so please do always remember that for customizing your page's SEO settings in the SEO panel or SEO market page. To ensure that search engines and social networks can index and display your page in search results, Wix automatically applies SEO settings to the pages of your website, which we have here the basic, the share, and you can edit the page if you want. Based on the data on your site and SEO best practices, these settings are automatically added to each of your pages. In the SEO panel of your pages, you may change the SEO settings for your page. So everything is up to you. Okay, so to aid search engines and social networks in displaying information about your page, each page on your site has a title tag, meta description, and URL slug. Your page title tag, meta description, and URL slug all have preset SEO settings. Added to them by Wix automatically. The following is the foundation for these default settings. Okay, so we have name of your page and website and a title tag such as home, okay, my stunning website or whatever it is. So what I'm showing right now is like the features under customized defaults like basics and social share, structured data markup, robots, meta tag. You can click this one by one to know what it is or what's the meaning of this. Additional meta tags, okay, you can see here page URL, site name, page URL again. Okay, you can add variable if you want and then click save to change or to save whatever you change here. Okay, so that's it. So now maybe you're asking, is Wix good for SEO? The short answer is yes. Always remember that Wix takes care of a typical website's essential SEO requirements for small businesses and website owners who prefer ease of use over every element of a website. It can be a great or it can be the greatest tool. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.